never tell you some of my secrets. I'm in over my head right now. Think they're gonna weigh me down, cause I don't like holding on to all of these feelings. And I just need to let this out. Let this out now.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. So guys, it's a Sunday afternoon. It is cold and gloomy outside here in Oklahoma, and I really should have filmed yesterday, but I was just feeling cold and snuggled into a big grandma nightgown with my slippers, and I was sleepy, and I just didn't get it accomplished. So today I have very little time, but I wanted to do an eye look with a new palette that I had, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys me getting ready to film. And sometimes you may not even think about it, but we actually have to get ready just to film, and sometimes that's intimidating, I guess, because you have to go through a whole process in order to do a whole nother process. And so it's just one of those things that sometimes I don't have the energy to do. But today I am in my winter snowflake, trying to influence the snow gods to make it fall heavily tonight into tomorrow so that I could have a snow day. I even promised my friend Nines that if I had a snow day I would do a live stream, because it's been so long since I did one. But I'm seriously joking, because that's 99% not going to happen. But I had several videos that I wanted to do today that weren't eye looks or get ready with me videos. So in order to do those videos, I have to get ready. So guess what? You get to be here for that. And I also just wanted to say that my good friend and sister Marlo Keenan has been helping me with my lighting. She's helping me figure out all the great things my camera can do when attached to a laptop and all these things. So I've brought in some more lighting into my bedroom, hoping to increase the quality of the videos in here. And so it may be too bright, it may be too dark. Sometimes looking in a monitor it's difficult to see how it's going to look once you're editing it. So I'm just asking for you to bear with me through this process, because I will get it. I just need to do some videos and tweak it a little bit along the way. So if you have any opinions about how it looks, if it was difficult to see something, please let me know, and I'll do my best to make those adjustments next time. But today I wanted to show you guys, I've been very choosy about what I've bought from the Ulta sale, the 20% off coupons, all those things that have been going on recently. And so I actually just kind of didn't spend all my grocery money and put some aside so that I could get these two palettes. And you guys know I'm an ABH fan. I almost passed on this, guys. I really almost did. And to be really honest, it's all this beautifulness that did it. All this sparkly beautifulness. But I am super glad that I got this, and I have used it a lot already. And I've enjoyed it so much, and I'm super glad that I decided to get it. I am extraordinarily glad that I got it. The other one that I got is the nude palette, and forgive me for looking over to the side. I do now have my laptop here and a monitor there to see and make sure I'm in frame, so that should help things, but you might see me sneak some peeks over there. But anyways, this is the HUDA Nude palette, and you guys, this is like the epitome of, I got a hair in here, hang on. This is the epitome of a Sherri palette. I mean, can you seriously see the gorgeousness of this? And I've used this probably 3 or 4 times, and I am going to do a full swatch and review video very soon. But I'm going to use it today just for an everyday kind of look. I am going to film some lip swatch videos, and when I do that I like my eye look to be very simple, so I'm not going to go all in, but I do want to show you a little bit of this, and I'm going to be using it in some upcoming videos. Like, I already have these ideas of what I want to do, and I can't wait to get to it, but you know, time, energy, all those things. So I'm going to zoom in real quickly. I've already done all my face makeup, contour, eyebrows, all that jazz, so this is only just going to be me showing you my eye look. And I'm also going to fast forward through it, so it will be a little bit of a shorter video, because the one prior to this was super long. But but intentionally so. As you guys know, I just kind of try to vary the lengths of the videos because some people like long, some people like short, some people like both. I just kind of skip around in that regard. So I'm just going to show you on my editing what I'm using and go in fast forward so you can see me get kind of an everyday look with this palette.
Conversations I have with myself, a lot in here that I'm dying to tell. Keeping quiet cause it's all I know. Oh, push away but it keeps coming back. Can't contain the emotions I have. In and out, gotta let it go. When it rains, let it pour. Getting lost in the waves. When it rains, let it pour. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Some nights feels good to not have to fight it. Lose a little self-control, even if I get exposed. And it's alright. Oh, at least you can say that I'm trying. I wanna get lost in the storm. In the storm, no. Conversations I have with myself, a lot in here that I'm dying to tell. Keeping quiet cause it's all I know. Oh, push away but it keeps coming back. Can't contain the emotions I have. In and out, gotta let it go. When it rains, let it pour. Getting lost in the waves. When it rains, let it pour. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, wash away. Let it pour. Getting lost in the waves. When it rains, let it pour.
Alright guys, that's it for the eyes. Very simple, but very soft, very feminine and girly and very warm. The inner corner, I probably would have chosen to not do that if I do that again because the glitter did kind of fall out everywhere. So maybe wetting the brush. I haven't tried that with those special shades yet. But I am going to be coming back and talking to you about this palette some more and doing more of an in-depth eye look. I just kind of wanted to show you what I was using. I'm going to go ahead and put on some liner and lashes, and then I will be back to talk to you about a little bit more about the palette, put on a lippy, and then we'll be out of here. Short and sweet today. Alright guys, I'm back with the finished look. Pretty simple, but still very pretty, I think. I think it's pretty anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and put on a lippy with you guys. I'm going to use today both Gerard Cosmetics. The lip liner is called Nude and the lippy is called Bare It All. These are new to me and I'm going to do an unboxing of the other ones that I got, but I couldn't wait to use these, so I'm going to use these.
Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Some nights feels good to not have to fight it. Lose a little self-control, even if I get exposed. It's alright. Oh, at least you can say that I'm trying.
Alright, and with the lippy.
Conversations I have with myself, a lot in here that I'm dying to tell. Keeping quiet cause it's all.
Ew.
Oh, push away but it keeps coming back. Can't contain the emotions I have. In and out, gotta let it go. When it rains, let it pour.
This is gorgeous.
When it rains, let it pour. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, wash away. Let it pour.
What you think? I think it's so pretty. This is my favorite Gerard formula. I really love it. It's a matte, and it definitely dries matte, but it doesn't suck the life out of your lips, and I love that. Teeth check. Alright guys, I know this has kind of been an unusual video because I don't usually make a video getting ready to make a video. But I just kind of wanted you to see what I was working with, what I've been loving lately. These lashes are by Velour, and the style is Sinful, and I just used these in a video before and I just couldn't wait to get them back on my face because they're so pretty. But I hope you enjoyed the look. I hope the lighting turns out okay. If not, like I said, I'll make adjustments. But thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and for you to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys. What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome. Oh, my nose itches.
Yeah. Is it alright if I tell you some of my secrets? I'm in over my head right now. Think they're gonna weight me down, 'cause I don't like holding on to all of these feelings.